Hi and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chantal and I will be doing today some nice salmon in small little cubes. It's gonna be Asian style with oil, sesame oil, a little bit of rice vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder, and ginger with soy sauce and honey and a little bit spice, cayenne pepper. I'm gonna serve this with some naan bread like as a sandwich, and it's gonna be very good, tasty with some avocado, coriander, a little twist of lime, green lemon, and some onions. So that will be our my recipe for tonight. So let's start by making the marinade and then cutting the salmon to put inside. So for my marinade, I'm gonna use some vegetable oil. This one is mixed with a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna use sesame oil. We want to have some taste, so we're gonna put enough inside. A little bit of rice vinegar, not too much because it has a strong taste. Onion powder, some ginger powder, and garlic powder. We're having soy sauce. We're gonna go generously. And what is going to make the salmon caramelized is honey. This is honey from here. We need enough. And I will put a little bit of green lemon inside just to give it a better taste. It already has the vinegar, so it's already going to be a little bit acid, but I like to add this nice green lemon as well. And we need to add a little bit of kick of spice because we like it. We don't need to add any salt because the soy sauce is already salty. I might add a little pepper because everything we cook here, we cook with salt and pepper. But salt for now, I'm gonna omit it. So that's it for the marinade. Let's cut the salmon. My salmon is a little bit frozen, so it's going to be more easy to cut um, the cubes. So here I'm going to remove the skin. See how it's nicely gonna remove it. We don't want to break the meat. Et voilà. Did a very good job removing the meat. I'm gonna remove this fat. Be careful of your fingers. These are still gonna be good even if they're not perfect. So here we have all the skin removed, and we're gonna nicely cut our. So I'm gonna cut them maybe 1 inch by 1 inch. So this is a nice size for the bites. So let's bring all together the nice marinade on each part of the salmon. And because my salmon was a little bit frozen, it made a nice cut, and it was very easy to make cubes. It's gonna finish to unfreeze in the marinade. Don't overwork it. Okay, that's good. Just make sure every piece is inside the marinade. So we're going to cover it and put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. So I'm going to prepare my vinaigrette with the... I did the little seeds, sesame seeds. So I just cook them, make them brown, so it gives a color and taste. I will make little vinaigrette. So I'm making for two. I'm gonna put oil, a little soy sauce, not too much, garlic powder, and onion. We're gonna keep it simple because we already are going to have a lot of taste with the salmon. I'm gonna add my green lemon, two. So this is gonna be our vinaigrette. I'm gonna cut some coriander. And then we will garnish on our open sandwich. We're gonna keep this on the side. We'll need some onions as well, so we're going to prepare them right away. I'm going to use some spinach too that I'm going to grossly cut. So now we're going to cook the salmon. You see how beautiful it is. It took a little bit the color of the marinade. So I put some oil on the bottom of the pan to make sure it don't stick, because we don't want this nice fish to stick. So I opened the stove at high, but now I'm gonna put it down because we don't want it to stuck, but still we want it to color. So it has to be medium high. Yeah, now we're having the drizzle we're looking for. So better do it in 2 times because we don't want them to touch each other. So at least they're gonna color properly. If we jam pack it, it's gonna boil. It's not gonna do a nice color and turn brown. So let's do it in 2 times. My heat is at I put it to medium high now. So right away it gives a color. I'm gonna let it do a nice crust. It's coming in. Let's It's gonna be so much yummy. As I mentioned, we don't want to stuck, so we need to be careful, and we don't want them to burn. Now see, I put it a little bit low. My So while my nice salmon is resting a little bit, I'm gonna put my naan bread in the oven because I'm making open sandwiches. So I've reheated my naan bread, so now it's nice and crispy and hot. So we like to have this. It's gonna make a nice open sandwich. So very easy from now. I'm gonna put little spinach. I'm making do, so gonna go with some onions. We like onions, so don't be scared. We're gonna put our nice salmon, little like candy. That is cooked very nice. That's nice. I'm going to use some avocado to put inside too. Little coriander. Our nice vinaigrette. It's going to be so much tasty. And because we like spice, and add a little bit of flake spice is a crushed red pepper. And the last thing, we have our nice sesame seed. And that's beautiful. Look at this nice dish. Oops. Guys. Look at this. That's beautiful, and it's gonna be so good. So this is my nice plate, and I'm going to taste the salmon because the rest is very perfectly cooked. It's not dry. It's still a little bit. This sandwich is gonna be so much good. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you for the next recipe. Bye.